Forward flow agreement. 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 If you're being sued by debt collectors, what if I told you they might not even have a legal right to sue you? There's a secret agreement behind the scene called a forward flow agreement, and it could be the key to getting your case dismissed. Hi, my name is Stephen A. Williams. I'm the president and founder of the Credit Repair Shop and the creator of summonsmaster.com. In this video, I'm going to break down what a forward flow agreement is, how debt collectors use it to try to collect on your debt, and why it might not hold up in court. A forward flow agreement is a contract between the original creditor, like a bank or credit card company, and a debt buyer. It outlines the ongoing sale of accounts, sometimes in a monthly batch, usually at pennies on the dollar. But here's the kicker. These agreements often lack the full account level documentation that proves you actually owe the debt, especially after being resold multiple times. When a debt buyer sues you, they must prove they own the debt and that you owe the money. But in most cases, all they have is a spreadsheet with your name, a generic contract, and a whole bunch of redacted documents. They usually don't have the original signed contract, complete account history, proof of chain of custody, and the actual forward flow agreement, which mean they may not even be able to prove that they own the debt, which actually also means that they cannot legally prove that you have to pay the debt. In case after case, judges have tossed out debt lawsuits because debt buyers couldn't prove ownership or proper assignment of the debt through these forward flow agreements. You might be shocked at how many of these lawsuits crumble when you file a proper legal response and demand full proof. This is exactly why I created Summons Master, to help people just like you respond to debt collector lawsuits the right way, with legal language that demands the evidence they probably don't have. If they can't prove their case, the judge must dismiss it. But it only happens if you respond correctly and if you respond on time. Don't wait and get a default judgment. It can ruin your finances and stay on your credit and stay on your public records for 20 years. Go to summonsmaster.com right now. Upload your summons and you'll get a fully formatted summons response to every allegation that the debt collector threw at you and a defense to win your case. Remember, knowledge is power, and in court, the right response could be your best defense. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the CreditRepairShop.com and the creator of SummonsMaster.com. Post your questions and comments below.